Hello everyone, this is Esper and we're back here on Slime Rancher. Hello one. Alright. The big goals. Besides saving this chicken. Two chickens. There's two smashed there. Okay, we need to get moolah. We're gonna get some monies because we want to get... Were they out? We want to get our next easy rewards. And so we want to get those, but also we have more treasure pots to get. And last time we focused more on money. And so this time we're going to check. We had two more, I know, from the Indigo Quarry we needed to find. So let's go through our list here real quick. Let's see. So a main path one, we probably have that. Those were slime fossils. Hard to check on that. Minty grass patch. Minty grass patch. We already don't have the first one, it looks like. It is. Honestly, it's like... Right. So. Up in here. Like right in here. Is this where like the teleporter goes to? Okay. It's right up in there. We're missing one. It look probably. And let's see now. We need blue coral columns. Oh wait, no, there's the Minty grass patch. We just missed. Okay, so we don't need either of those right now. Ingonium and a strange diamond. I think we've got that. That looks familiar. That's like up by where the teleporter was, where the rock slime had been, where we took care of that to the Ash Island teleporter. I only know the name of that island because it says it here. I would not remember that typically. Crystal cluster, Ingonium, strange diamond. That one's in the water. That looks very familiar. Fire flower patch. We've got that. Green teleporter. I think we got the green one right there. We've used it already. Green slime lamp. Yes. Slime fossil on a main path. It looks possibly familiar. Main paths are it's harder to miss a main path one, honestly. Hexium formation. Royal fashion pod. We do have that. Do have that for sure. We've got, that's our little crowns. Main path purple. The Ingonium one, we may not have that one. Let's see, green warp depot. Yes. Red teleporter. Pink, blue, gray, green, gray. We do not have the red. That is one to look for. Ash Island. Okay, it's on Ash Island. We can do that. In the Sirius fashion pod. Okay. That is two that we do not have. We do not have the Sirius. It's like eyebrows. And that... Where is that located at? Like in a little hidden spot. Okay. It's two interesting ones. And we can actually find... they're probably in odd areas is why. Okay, let me see here. Locate this thing. Like up here is the Sirius fashion pod. The other one is on Ash Island. Let's see, like up here. So, fun. Let's find these things. Okay. Let's see here. Where's this one go? Is our Ash Island? Yes. So, like, up there, maybe? Okay, let's... Am I facing the right way? Yes, okay. So, probably, like, at the top or something. I'm gonna guess, like, up there. Maybe when we, came last time, we weren't. Maybe we didn't have, what we needed for... There, you hungry? I'll feed you. Maybe we didn't have purples. Actually, it's probably on the backside. I'm ignoring the death sounds at the moment. I know it sounds awful. Aha, see? Ta-da, we found one already. Red teleporter. That looks kind of good. I don't typically like reds. Oh look, there's a path right there. But that one's kind of a nice shade of red. Totally missed that. We get more death. Absolute massacre. Bye. I was just bailing from that. Okay. So now, let's go find the serious one. Serious face. Teleporter in here. That'll take us nicely somewhere. Got enough charge? Help charge you up a little bit more. This is like, yeah, out there. Okay, is this like takes us to the area we're supposed to be in, I think, isn't it? We got that one. Oh. Yes. No, that was where we had suspected of the other place. We need to get like up here. Do we need the up path? This way? So many paths. No, that's a side path. We don't want that path. Oh, come on. Is there a little ledge? I know I've gotten up here before. Okay. I'm gonna... Or maybe we should go through there. Like, hop across here. Okay, let's go ahead. Change of plans. Let's go down the little one. Oh yeah. Munch, munch. Ow. I'll like hide back behind some of those rocks. Whoa. Not what I wanted. Bye everyone. Bye everyone. Oh, like back here. Okay, let's see what's best course of action is. This might even lead straight to this. Let's be a little path or something. What? I've fallen. Okay. Okay, that didn't quite work out as planned. I'm in the right vicinity. I didn't let it charge enough. Oops. With the babies everywhere. an already open pod over there. Not the one we're looking at. Not the one we're looking at. We need one over here. Figure this out. How hot is it? Or how low is it? I wonder. Where's the picture? It shows it by the water, honestly. It's down, not up. Go away. The other one. Go away. Bonk. Okay. Lower path? There it is. Our serious eyebrows. Yes, serious fashion. Okay, so I think that is all for this area. Let's just jump in the slime sea. Thank you. We've been knocked out, yes, but we have. It is now going to be morning. Oh, it barely started morning, didn't it? Oops. Okay. It's okay. Let's go get some water. Get all our bees going, because that's part of our goal too. Is to get monies. Monies. Na 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 na. My little ponders. There's a lot of you guys. Was there more? Have you guys like duplicated? Should I be concerned? It's okay. Okay, that's good. I'll take onions. You guys have a lot of carrots. Okay. Na 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 na. They're chickens. You guys are happy. One of them. Whoa. Hello. There you go. I should check these guys. These guys are my fruit eaters. How are we doing? Do I have any bees collecting the fruit? Oh my goodness. You guys are having a field day in there. Okay, we're gonna have fruit garden silos. You're collecting for silos. Auto feeders. Okay. Wow. Your fruit's gonna go bad. Are you taking fruit out? Well, someone's not even grabbing any of this fruit at all. I was collecting okay. I guess not at all, they are. They've gotten a lot, actually. Actually, I'm gonna keep a few. I'm gonna keep a few. Need to burn a few, probably. They're getting a lot of fruit. They're like running around like starved. they're fine. Let's go burn a few of these. You guys look okay. Need some more Q berries in here. I'll give it to you. Get these bees to working. I'm out of my buzz power. Can't fly. Okay. Get our bees going. We are making some money. We are getting there. We're getting there. Okay. Alright, let's see. What's this? Where are we at here? That's Indigo Quarry. Let me back in. Okay, we need to figure out where to check next. Ranch, Dry Reef. Ranch, we're good. Dry Reef, we're good. I'm pretty sure we're good. I think we're good on the Moss Blanket too, in the Indigo Quarry. I think we're getting close to having all the pods. But I'm assuming there's going to be some sort of Steam achievement for that. So probably don't have them all yet. Still the ranch. Should be Dry Reef up here. Dry Reef 14 and 14. Okay, we're gonna do like a run through. Nope, wrong side. Wrong side to run through. Find where we have not. That we have not collected yet. No. Oh. Of course, I don't have anything to throw at it. And did he commit suicide? He's gone. Oh well. Not a huge deal. Okay. I think. We still have all those over there. We'll have to go check them again later. We're gonna hold one in case we hit a cat or a gold again. Don't want any of it. I just take the monies, which is not much money, honestly. But might as well pop it. Okay, one blue chicken. You're out here all alone. Moss Blanket, all good. I am so excited for the next game. It's going to be so much fun to have the next one. After 60 plus episodes of this one, we will have so much fun with that. I think it's like the between area, which we double checked that last time. I know. I think we got all this last time too. 14 and 14, yeah. Okay, so Nimble Valley treat. I think we got all in the Nimble Valley, didn't we? Yeah, it was only like 2. Yeah, we went looking specifically for those. Hogan's Retreat. And only 1, which we found that already. The Wilds. At 4. Did we get all in the Wilds? I know we found some in the Wilds. I think we found them all, didn't we? Because we went around, didn't we? Cotton Flower Patch. Rocks, carved rocks. We'll have to check. I don't know if we've finished the Wilds, I guess. Check the others. I think we got all the Slimulation ones, didn't we? Got the store open? We never use the store. Why don't we try it? Hello. We're coming up. Peekaboo. Let's see. Slimulation. Pretty sure we got those. There's actually quite a bit in there. Slimulation. A lot of treasure pods actually. Like like 12 in the slimulation. Or a water tap. We got that fruit bait slime. Yes, veggie slate meat. Battery tower. I know we got the field kit. Supply drop. I know we got that. Portable slime scare, yes. Dashpad, yes. Digi panel, yes. Digi shrub, digi tree. Yeah, I think we got everything in the slimulation. I think we looked through there. Because I remember hopping across the top. See, in the slime C, red slime lamp, and the mustache. I think we've... I'll have to check about the lamp. I know we got the mustache. I mean, maybe a few in the wild, but... I think we've got the majority of these things, actually. Let's see here. I wish I had like a way to check. I don't know of a way to check. Adventure continues. 42. We haven't finished these. Renew. Purchase at least 10 different types of slime toys. We need to do that too. Score 50 points in a single game of Slime Ball. We haven't played that yet. Place a tar on a number one slime. We could do those easily. Just need money. Reach at least 750 new bucks in rush mode. Rush mode. I don't know if we've done a rush mode. Send an adorable chick to a fiery end. Oh, you monster. Jump in a corral contain at least 40 slimes. Have at least 10 types of largos on the ranch. 10 types of largos. Really? Like 10 different types? Fill a pond on your ranch with at least 5 different types of slime. That's scary. 6 different types of slime in the same corral. Can strain more than 15 slimes in your vac stream at once while on the range. Stand inside a rat aura for at least 15 seconds. We could do that easy. Burst. Put at least 50 units into each slot of a fully upgraded silo. Or starting, be knocked out before 10 a.m. But we could do that easily. Okay, well, let's head home. I think we've got quite a bit of the pods. There wasn't one for pods, was there? Was there one for pods? Plort. Away. I'm looking. Ruins. I don't see anything for pods. So I don't know if it would notify us if we've got all the pods. Problem. So we have to murder a chick. Is one of those. I don't like the sound of that, but... Hey there. That doesn't even tell me. I wish it told me in every spot. Wow, there's a lot of chickens here. Whoa, why we got a rooster out? Sorry. You're gonna be my victim. Partial thinning. Can't get all these. Wow. It's definitely nicer when you aren't struggling to fill them, when they're actually taking care of themselves. It is actually a little nicer. Because they do multiply very quickly. Oh, I don't need 5 babies. I just want 1 to murder here. Which I'm sad. Oh, I'm a monster. You monster! I know. I feel awful. I feel horrible. And now we shall go on. I will, Ow. I'll be fine. You guys. There you go. You guys have a few roosters. Okay. They're like you here to face our wrath. There you go. Food! People hungry? People hungry? You guys can have those. Got things everywhere. I don't like that your plorts are going everywhere. Do something. Guys good? Guys good? Okay. Let's have some food. Everyone's good and happy. Get some more monies. Okay. We need knocked out before. Okay, wait. Also, let's real quick though. Red? We have red. So I think we have everything. Pretty much. I think we have most of our pods, I want to say. Let's check the battery tower. Actually. A battery tower. Battery tower. Build kit. Supply drop. Portable scarce slime. That'd be utilities. Water app. Scarce slime dash pad. Yeah, I think we have all those in the simulation. Pretty sure we finished off the glass desert. That one caused us a lot of trouble. rocks. Sticks. Glow rocks. Wild grass patch. Yes. Flower patch. Wild coral column. Each tree. Carved rocks. Hay rocks. I think that's everything in there too. So I think we may have gotten all the pods. Though I really don't see why they wouldn't have given us a achievement for it, but it doesn't say any achievement. Okay, let's go. Go to sleep, jump in the slime seed to get knocked out. So we'll get that achievement. We're working on money. I guess some achievements. Okay, get knocked out before 10 a.m. Ah! Not my morning. So we got that achievement. Let's see where we need achievements. We need... Okay. There was something about getting money. At least in each slot. Oh, that's a lot of slots. We could do the rat aura fine. More than 15. Do we have 15 over here? I think I need to put in my slime stream is what it is. So let's get stuff in each slot. Because I think it means like holding them. Right? Did I get it? No, not yet. I haven't heard any achievement. Not like I haven't picked up a lot of slimes before. Slimes in the same corral. I need to do a corral and just expect it to become a tar and put the tar on the trophy spot, I guess. 5 different types of slimes. Well, there's several we can do. Let's grab some different slimes, I guess. 1, 2. It's 5 or 6. 6. 1, 2, 3. I've got a few down there. They need to behave. I don't let them ever run wild down here. Okay. I'll stand in the red. Is it gonna kill me? Come on, achievement. Ah, barely. I was scared of that. Thank you. Come here, Rad. Okay. That scared me. 3. Does crystal not count? No. No, 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 no. I do like the water. Maybe the pond, the puddle one doesn't count. Crystal back. Crystal, go away. Go in there a second. So I can get a different one. Puddles, I'm a little worried for you. I'm gonna pull all you guys out probably. You want a boom? I get a boom. Boom with a monocle. I think he killed his monocle though doing that. Oh well. He's so cute. He looks terrified in the picture though. Come here, my little cute slimes. You do not get food. There's 6 in here. It was a 6 pool party, right? I'm trying to get him. I don't want anything to get hurt. Achievements. In the same corral. Oh, wait. Pool party. Fill a pond at your ranch with at least 5 different types of slime. Didn't I just do that? Fill a pond on my ranch. Is this not a pond? Maybe it's one of the actual, like, you make the pond. Oh. We'll try it out. But that takes money. I don't want to waste my monies. Wait. Bees get to work. We'll figure that out. It might mean for me to actually make a pond. Why is there slimes out? Obviously, they've been at it. I pay my bees to feed you guys. Bees, get to work. Okay. Well, work. 45 out of 57. Six different types of slimes. Oh, it scares me. Pink. Honey. Oh. Okay, scare me. I guess I got this thing now, don't I? This should be okay, right? None of them have food, so... Meow. Meow, 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 meow. No. Okay. Na 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 na. Six-pack. Be nice. They're of them are cranky. Cranky. Sorry, I'm being quiet, aren't I? Let's see here. Grabbing a bunch of these things. So they're not automatically starved. There's a couple. Dun 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 dun. We're getting quite a bit of money. We've gotten up there. So next one, we probably get the next easy reward level. You guys act like you're gonna just die every day. You're just starved to absolute death. Never receive enough food. Okay, what was I doing next? Let's see if we can get one more. It's time to wrap up. One different Largos on the ranch. At least 40 slimes. That's a lot of slimes. I don't know if I have... I don't know how many pink ones I have. That'd be my closest. I have to get some more. Come here, let's count. Go. I know there's not 40 because otherwise I'd have the achievement. 30. Okay, so we need like 10 more. No. The 40? I can't even remember now. I think it's 40. I have a bad memory, honestly. 40, yeah. Okay, let's go grab a couple more pinks. Then we'll be in a group of 40, and then our ones will be so hard to manage. There we go. Na 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 na. Don't. Pop it. There we go. There you go. Ta-da-da. Okay, and I think we're gonna end there. I will try to get a double check. I think we got all of them. It's kind of hard to check on that though, especially with it not saying. Go B. I see money just coming in. But I think we've got about all those, and so we're gonna be working on money and some of these achievements. I think that'll be good. We're getting really close to the end, honestly, but the thing is that we still have several levels of this to go, of the easy reward. We have a couple more levels of this to do. How many levels do we have of that? Let me see here. Slime Rancher or 7. Why do I always call it easy? 7Z reward. Because I think it's an oddball number. I don't think it ends at 30. Because I think it's just an oddball-y number. Let's see. 28. It looks like 28. So we have 5, 6, 7, 8, 4 more levels to go. So probably we're nearing the end, honestly. We've been at this a long time. So probably get those 4 levels. Maybe do some decorations. I want to get the rest of the toys. I want to buy the toys. And yeah, I mean, make a few decorations. We gotta try out the slime ball thing and make a stage and all that. So I mean, we gotta try out some of the things that we found. But I'm not sure how many episodes it's gonna span across. Depends more on what we get accomplished while we're waiting on money to build up. Bad thing is some of that takes money like that and everything. So we will see. We'll see. But it is very much nearing the end. We've got a lot less to go out to do. So you're going to see us at the ranch a lot more, getting more monies and such. So I hope you've enjoyed this. I have, and it has been such a wonderful time playing this. It's been over a year. We are at episode 62, I believe. It's been such a wonderful series. And I hope you all check in next week for another episode of Slime Ranger. Bye, everyone.